yesterday we have seen the effect of dielectric on the capacitance. Okay. So, the expression actually was we have discussed parallel for the parallel plate capacitors. Okay. Parallel plate capacitor, the capacitance we have derived A epsilon naught divided by D, and this is the expression for the capacitor right now. So, if the hole place inside the capacitors, it means between the two plates of capacitor, we will insert an dielectric materials. And what are the dielectric materials? In the last on 18th of June lectures, we have seen the dielectrics and the materials which are useful in increasing the capacitance. Is that clear? So, mostly generally dielectrics are the insulating materials which affects the capacitance of a capacitor. So, you may see here on the screen, this place we have filled with the capacitance. You just see here the capacitance is to be here this, okay guys, and this is the material of capacitance capacitor. Okay, this is dielectric materials. So, what actually how this is inserted in that? So, I am telling this. Suppose there are the two plates. Suppose there are the two plates of capacitor. You may see this is okay, and above the capacitor on the plate one of them dielectric material is inserted in the manner that the braid slice is applied on the beneath the two braids. Okay, this is the manner it is right now. A very thin film can also be inserted, means so much distance is not there, right, and another plate is placed over that here. Okay, this is actually the manner here that the capacitor is you may see, and the cable wire of the conducting wire is connected with this surface and with this surface. Is that clear? So, the topic is what will happen when the dielectric materials is inserted between the two plates of the capacitor. So, we have seen simply it is the media is filled with the means no materials like that air or the vacuum is present here. So, the epsilon naught we have taken epsilon naught we have taken for the air or the vacuum between the two plates of capacitor. But when the whole region between the plates is filled by the dielectric materials, then the electric field intensity will also be affected. Is that clear? And we suppose that can speak here this A epsilon, but how can you speak that the dielectrics material will affect the capacitance? In what manner? I have taken a short way of representing this capacitance. So, in the obviously, the capacitance is here written, you may see the capacitance is actually A epsilon naught divided by D obviously. So, we are not changing the area of the plate, we are not changing the distance between the plates also. Suppose very thin plates are there, then the distance will not also be changed here. So, the place epsilon naught will be replaced by the materials electric permeability, means materials have their own electric permittivity, means the meaning in the sense electric permittivity means each materials is made up of the atoms, molecules, and they have the different orientations of the electric dipole. So, each materials behave differently with respect to the electric field. So, they have own behavior of with respect to the electric field. So, this is measured in the terms of how do they behave toward the electric fields is represented by the epsilon. It is called the electric permittivity. This will be in the positive way, this will be in the negative way. Right now, positive way in the sense means it will promote the electric field, it will affect, enhance the electric field, and in some cases it can means each material have its own permittivity. So, the some materials like that paper and ceramic and some liquids also there. So, that they can promote the electric field, means they can hold the electric dipoles, that dipole moment on per unit volume will be here more than that of the air. So, we can speak here the large amount more than the energy can be stored in a dielectric material. So, finally, we will speak here the epsilon naught is the electric permittivity for the space or for vacuum, and epsilon is the permittivity of any material. So, this will be replaced by epsilon. The equation we have derived here this, and if we will compare the electric field capacitance in both the cases, this is for C dash and C. C dash is the capacitance in presence of dielectric material between the plates, and C is the capacitance without the material present. Right now, we will compare them. So, after solving this equation, we will obtain here epsilon and divided by epsilon naught will obtain, this is that the epsilon. This is a ratio we can say is the epsilon is the material permittivity and epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space. So, permittivity of free space is taken as a denominator, it is the comparison between this. Okay. So, this is taken as the epsilon, or in some it is taken as a k in some books. Right now, you will see this. This is called the ratio of the electric permittivity of the medium to the electric permittivity of the free space. Is that clear? So, this can be replaced here in this manner, right. So, C dash is equal to also this can be written as sometimes k into C. Is that clear? So, what the C here tell please, the C is already A epsilon naught divided by D, and here we will write here k. Is that clear, right? So, the formula can be modified here, you may just say, right. So, this expression actually I told you that day right now, but in there is another way of representing this. You may see on the screen here this effect of dielectrics on capacitance. Which method you like most here? You will just use in the examination. Is that clear, guys? So, second method I am telling you, effect of dielectrics on capacitance, right. So, the material we have taken, this is the capacitors, okay, capacitors, and the material is filled inside this is dielectric materials is filled inside that. Okay. This material is filled inside that. Yeah, right now as you have seen on the screen. Right now, so what will happen this? So, you may see the electric field without inserting material is epsilon naught, obviously E naught we have represented here when the no material is present here. Okay. So, you will write before that before the expression what you will write here? You will write here that let the technique I am telling you before in that here you will write here let a capacitor, please go on writing this, let a capacitor is inserted, sorry, capacitor is subjected to inserted is of area means plate area. Okay. So, we will follow the any short way of writing this, sorry. Okay. A capacitor, consider a capacitor, what capacitor? Parallel plate capacitor with plate area A, distance between the plates D. Okay. Okay. What will happen here? Distance between the plate D, therefore, the capacitance what will be here? A epsilon naught by D, this is equal to C. Right now the space, the region space between the plates is filled with a dielectric. I am repeating this again. Dielectric materials means are the insulating materials. Okay, filled with dielectric material of electric permeability okay, here we will give this here epsilon, okay, is inserted, okay. So, what will happen? The field will be affected here. You may see this is the plate, one plate is at here, okay. This is another, you may see this is here. So, it is a positively charged plate is, this is, and the density, and everybody know what the density is plus, and here the material is inserted in that, okay. So, I am taking here the dielectric material, okay, this is that fully cubed, okay, not any space will leave here this, okay, fully cubed. So, I just want to tell you this, how a material means how the electric field, how materials behave. So, the last concept what I told you in that, I am revisiting this. Suppose that there is a material we have placed in electric field. So, field line actually coming from the left side. So, the face, the region, that side of the dielectrics facing to the electric field will become, means where the side, what we can speak here this, simply it is when the electric field reaches to a surface, to the reaching point, this is will behave as a negative, was that clear, and here will the field line will leave, this is behaves as a positive. So, we can speak here this side is, simple it is, this side is negative behaving and this side is positive behaving. So, what we can speak here, this is the T thickness, we can say after some thickness there is a capacitors and the two plates more developed here, means the two more plates of the negative density and the positive density develops here, positive density, is that clear, positive density. So, what will happen here? So, here will be negative density in not the inner side, outside side is there, and here will be positive. So, we can speak here this in the very simple way, you just understand this is, okay guys. So, you may see this is the one capacitor is here developing right now and the second capacitor is here developing. So, we can speak here that this types assembly is actually developing the combinations of the two capacitors in what place, in what aspect, positive, negative, positive. So, this is called the series combination of plate, series combination of capacitor, sorry, is the capacitor, series combination of capacitor. So, without, it means that by series combination of capacitors, the method you can also employ here for the deriving this expression right now, but the next topic you will discuss here the combination of capacitor. Here I am just talking about the effect of the dielectric material inserting between the plates of capacitors, is that clear? So, well understood you guys. So, this is behaving like a capacitor. So, you will see the electric field will also be affected here. So, what will be the electric field? Obviously, this at any point inside the capacitors, the electric field will be, new electric field we are just giving here this epsilon naught, we are giving with a new representation, you see. I just want to reveal you again, I am telling you the alternate method of deriving this, is that clear? So, the electric field you may see here, up to here you have studied here, this is the capacitance capacitor, okay, when no material is inserted here. So, here is talking about that ki a dielectric inserted between the plates fully occupying intervening region, the dielectric is polarized, obviously polarized here, how the polarized I explained here right now. So, what will be this here? So, electric field is generally given as a E sigma pi epsilon right now, and how this comes I just told you in this derivations, the expression which we have when we have studied this, okay. In that I told you that what happens to that, clear guys right now. So, electric field I am telling this again, if you do not know I am telling this again, the two plates are here, one is that here, one is that here. So, three regions are here, point 1 here, point 2 here and point 3 here, it is 1, 2 and 3, it is right now. So, three regions here, the electric field we found here 0, approximately minimum, and the we can say here the electric field at the region 3 is here also vanishing, means very less it is. The electric field at the region 2 will be here. Why? The reason is that here the electric field is positive charge is brought at this point. So, due to this positively charged plate, what will happen, please tell me? It will repulsive field will be there, or due to this negative plate this will be attractive. So, both the field will get sum up, is that clear? So, that is why the electric field at here due to this sigma upon epsilon twice, okay, and here due to this here in the same direction, both the vector are in the same direction. So, they are taken as a positive. Is that clear? If we will add them, we will obtain here a sigma upon epsilon naught. So, always you just have to remember here, between at any point between the two plates, positive or negatively charged, at any point the electric field ever given sigma upon epsilon naught. You will just remember this, do not forget the next time, right now, right. So, what is that? So, electric field is there, you may see this is the electric field I just told you, clear. So, but what about this? This is what about here, sigma minus sigma p. Sigma minus sigma p is what here? So, sigma is what? So, sigma is actually this, you just listen here, this the electric field in the dielectric then corresponds to the case when the net surface charge density, net surface charge density in the sense what? Obviously, net surface charge density I am just talking, it means that this is the sigma p is what here, the charge density, p for what? Means density means p for polarizing, means total polarizers there. And what this is here? Obviously, this sigma is due to without polarization, right now. So, net how can we find out here? Is to be subtracted here. If this will be 0, so this will be only due to the positive, and this will be 0, so this will be on that here. So, we can find out the electric field here in the case, what will be the electric field? So, electric field when the polarizer inserted in that can be taken as, I am telling this. So, what will happen here? The electric field, gone writing, the electric field, E field, okay, E field at any point between the plate, what will be the field here? E is equal to sigma minus sigma p. It can be positive or negative. What does this mean? In the sense positive negative means obviously. Next is what here? Epsilon naught. Is that this is called the electric field. The electric field, no, sorry, sigma upon epsilon. Epsilon naught is what here? Epsilon naught means what? Electric field is sigma upon epsilon. There you may say this is permeativity. So, what you will take here? Epsilon naught will take, obviously with this is here according to the formula. What formula here? You may see this formula is, this is to be replaced here. There is this formula. Okay, this is that. Clear, guys? Sorry, it's this in the place of sigma epsilon. So, electric field, what is the electric field? So, obviously everybody knows electric field. So, what will be the potential between them? If the region is filled, therefore the potential difference between the plates, and everybody know what the potential difference between the plate here. It is work done in bringing the unit charge from one plate to another. So, potential is equal to what here? Everybody know E into D. So, just you always remember the formula, E is equal to dV by dr. Right now, it is instant electric field, or also we can dV is equal to E into dr. Right now, so dr the integral of length here, the plate 1, plate 2, a small integral is to be added. So, it will become here d, the distance is there. Okay. We can say here the total work done in bringing the charge from one plate to another, right now. So, here what this, so what will be the electric field? So, electric field will be here, E is what here? Sigma minus sigma p, okay, and divided by epsilon naught, and here will be taken as a d. This is the potential we have brought here, right, guys? And everybody know here what the formula for the potential here, right now. So, capacitance can be calculated further that, right? Is that clear? And further we will put the value here. So, what will be the value here? Obviously, you can write down, therefore, capacitance will what here? The charge density here you will write, charge density means net charge is there, okay, Q upon V. So, in the place here you can write here sigma minus sigma p and divided what? Epsilon naught, and in the place of d will put here. But what you will put here? This Q. So, what the Q charge is there? So, Q charge here is to put Q charge in the sense Q is equal to what here? Density into area, density into area is to be taken here. But one thing is very important here. So, here density means area is the A here, it is clearly, but density sigma is to be written here, obviously sigma is not to be written here, this clear, guys, right now. So, after that this is the capacitance can be calculated here, this clear. So, what the potential is here? So, potential you may see, this is the equation number 1 and 2 you can speak here, equation number 2, the potential between them. Because for finding the area capacitance we just need to the potential, clear. And further here just explaining that what it depends on this. You may see the potential is depending on the del P. More the del P here, we can speak here this positive or negative will occur here. It's positive and negative. So, positive and negative will make in the sense what we can speak here, increasing and decreasing will not be happen here. So, okay. If for the positive will take here, so sigma minus sigma p will be positive. So, it can take the sign positive negative both right now. So, increasing and decreasing concept will not come here in use. Okay. So, what suppose that on the dielectric metal is placed, so it is how many polar dipole will develop in a per unit volume of dielectric materials. It depends on the strength of electric field. So, we can speak here the linear dielectrics. Okay, the del P is proportional to del epsilon naught. What the meaning of this here is, del P means what is the density of polarizer, means sigma is the charge density, okay, of the free space we took. Here sigma P we are taking the again charge density, but in the presence of polarizing right now. So, obviously, it depends on this, what it depends on that electric field employed here. So, what is the electric field applied here? The between them is so directly proportional to. So, what we can speak here, this that is sigma, and this epsilon naught has developed sigma right now. So, we can speak here it is directly proportional to that. I am telling this means this is directly proportional to what is it? Simply it is sigma minus sigma p. This is directly proportional to what, please, is electric field, and electric field directly proportional to what here? Sigma, because that is this here. So, sigma p, and after removing the proportional sign, what will take here? After removing the proportional sign, a value will come here, that is this. Is that clear? After removing proportional sign, this type situation is occurring right now. So, I am writing this, wait a minute please. So, we will write down here the electric field, since the what will write sigma p, okay, is directly proportional to what? Sigma. So, electric field is directly proportional to electric field, and electric field proportional to this, it means what we can speak here, and electric field proportional to, sorry, electric field not proportional to, sigma is also proportional to electric field, clear. So, what we can write in this place, and sigma to epsilon naught, that is this can be written as what? So, very simple it is, sigma minus sigma p here is proportional to epsilon naught. So, here we will remove here this word. So, this proportional sign is to be there, always to come here the proportional sign, clear. So, in the place k times this is p after removing the proportional sign is equal to electric field, and in the place of so what will write down this directly proportional to this. Okay. So, in the place of that, what can we write here this? Please tell me guys, what we can tell? We can just bring here this sigma. Okay. So, here will be sigma, and sigma p is equal to sigma divided by k, right. So, many things are here. These number of steps are generally not need to write here, directly we can write. Is that clear? That is this. So, further is there, clear guys, and further expression can be given as, so what the capacitance is there, right. So, what is the formula for that? So, we can write in that place sigma upon k. So, expression can be modified as, therefore, potential can be written as V is equal to, what the potential is there? Potential to be changed, this is the formula for potential. So, from equation, okay, from equation 1, therefore, from equation 1, potential difference between the plates. What will the potential difference? V is equal to, here came this. So, in the place of that, you may see the equation 1, this is the equation 1, right guys. sigma minus sigma p divided by epsilon naught. Equation 2 it is, sorry. So, in place of sigma minus sigma p, what can be written? So, in the place of that we can write here sigma by k can be written here, epsilon was coming here, and here's the d. So, further expression will be sigma upon, right, now sigma d upon epsilon naught, and here will come here k also. Is that clear? And so, everybody know here this. For the capacitance will be what? So, capacitance will be sigma, what will here, divided by, in place of that, what is this? Sigma it is. Equation number 3 you can give here, right. So, the what capacitance will be there? So, in the place of that d by k can be written. So, here already what is that capacitance here? So, the V potential is in place of sigma, what can we write? In place of sigma, sigma is equal to A total charge upon area, this is that here. So, it can be further removed, right. So, here what will it is? Q upon A, is that clear? So, sigma is equal to Q upon A, clear guys. So, potential can also be changed here. So, the formula will be modified here. What will be the formula? Here I am modifying this, okay. You may see this is. So, further it can be written as A, Q is equal to Q by A, it is this here, and D and epsilon naught, and it is a K. This is the formula for the potential. You may see the formula for the potential. Is that clear? Formula for the potential. And later C dash is equal to, in place of C dash is what? Obviously new potential, new capacitance. So, new capacitance can be written as, what is the formula for capacitance? We are representing this dash. So, it shall be the Q by a formula what? V dash. Charge will be the same. So, Q divided V dash is Q D, okay, and whole A epsilon, and here K will come here, clear. So, it shall be what? Q cancel, and this whole quantity will go as a numerator, A epsilon by D, and here K will come here this, and C dash. So, it means same thing is coming here, what we have derived here, C dash. This is the old capacitance, or this is the K here. So, we can speak here by inserting the dielectric materials, the capacitance can be increased K times, right, that we have discussed. Is A upon epsilon upon epsilon upon epsilon naught is equal to K. This ratio is called that, is before you, clear guys, right now. Well, understood you, further is to be discussed here. So, finally, the dielectric material inserting will increase the capacitance of a capacitor, and everybody know here the unit of capacitance, and this is farad, and small unit of capacitance is also used, microfarad and millifarad, clear. So, electric displacement, the electric displacement we will discuss in the detail while we will study the electromagnetic wave, clear guys, right. So, here you may see there are some numerical questions you may see here, this is clear. So, what is that? A slab of, the question is what saying, a slab of material dielectric constant K has the same area as the plate of parallel capacitor, but has thickness 3/4 D, where D is the separation between the plate. How is the capacitance change when the slab inserted between the plate? It is very simple, it is saying here, whatever is this here. So, means you will just to be solved. Listen question again here, what is it saying here, okay. What is it saying? Look, slab of material dielectric constant K, okay, has the same area, the plate, okay, same area as the plate of parallel plate capacitor, they have the same area, has the thickness, means we have inserted here the dielectric material in the whole medium, but is not saying, is saying that he inserted in the 3/4 means 75% area is filled by the dielectric material, okay. So, is asking what will be the what here. So, D is separation between the plate. How is the capacitance change when the slab inserted? So, you need to find out the what will be the new capacitance, So, what is to be done here? This, how can you find out the new capacitance, and what is the manner that you will find out new capacitance? So, you may see our derivation again here. What we have done here this. So, simply you will just take here a capacitor is before you, this right now this is a capacitor. Yes. So, what am I talking about? This is the plate here, one plate is at here, the another plate is at here, clear, and the whole region is not being filled here, simply this region. We can see this is the 3/4 region here. Okay. So, if you will see this region and this region, these are space, means empty. It means here the permittivity will work here epsilon naught, but here the permittivity will here of k, means epsilon, right, that is called k is equal to epsilon by epsilon comparatively, right. So, what obviously the plate area is same here, the area. So, what the formula will be there, and how can we change that? Is it is a 3/4 part, this 3/4 of d, 3/4 of d, right. So, we need to find out the capacitance, new capacitance. Is that clear in the question here? So, electric field at any point, what will be the electric field without inserting, this will be the electric field, clear, and what will be the electric field of the field region, this will be that here, because what is to here, obviously the electric field will also in electric field directly proportional to. So, here is you may see here, because the you just understand first, you see what is that, C is equal to q by here what V, and here q is whatever the same as it is, potential is written as what here, since E is equal to V into L, now V by L, dV by dl, wait a minute please, yes, and we have studied V is equal to electric field into D, this is the formula here. So, the formula will be here E d, clear right now, and what the potential, what the field, clear or not here, and what proportional here, this is the what is proportional to E, what is proportional to E, that is proportional to V, and what proportional to V, that is inversely proportional to C, right or not. It means what the factors that will increase E, that will increase V, and that will decrease C. You just have to understand the relation between them. The factors which will increase E will increase V, but will decrease C. Why? Because the relationship mathematically before you, clear. So, here is the concept here. So, electric means K is inside, K is increasing, you see the formula here. So, C dash is equal to K times C. So, K is increasing C, capacitance, K is increasing capacitance, obviously it will decrease E. So, we can write here the field will what here, in the sense this will here this K times, so 1 by K times will be there. So, here it is written this, okay, new field is there, okay. So, what will be the formula? So, obviously potential due to field region and potential due to what region, please tell me, inserted field region, and empty region is a empty region, this is the field region, clear guys, well understood here or not here. So, how can we solve this? It is very simple, the expression is there. So, you will understand one capacitance is there, okay, and the 1/4 region. So, the capacitance of this region will what here, what is the formula for the capacitance, what is the formula for potential? Obviously, potential 1, I am telling this in the 9th, in a 10th class you studied here, 1 potential, second potential, third potential. When the potential are in series, they just get sum up, right. So, here different potential we can say it is a positive, it is a negative, it is a positive, it is a negative. So, what positive connected to negative, negative connected to positive, this is combination, this combination is said to be series combination. So, potential, then potential will get sum up. So, what is the potential of the empty, this empty space, sorry, the empty space potential will be 1/4 the distance d, it is clear, and the electric what is the formula for epsilon naught, this is the potential, it is a V, is the empty space. We can speak here V1. Do you know formula? V is equal to ED, electric field and space. Space is 1/4 D left here empty, and this is what here field place, means it's 3/4 D field place, and the electric field what here? So obviously A divided by K. You well understood, you not? And this is the potential number 2, right? So these two potentials are added here, and we can add them in the manner. How can we add them? So it shall be V1 plus V2. This is total potential. So it will be what? 1/4 D and epsilon naught is a field without, okay, and without material, and it's a 3/4 D, and here will E epsilon by K is equal to V. So what is common in them? Obviously electric field common here, and D is also common here, and 4 is also common. What's leave here, please tell me? So here will 1, okay, plus 1 plus 3 by K will come here. 1 plus 3 by K is equal to V. This is that. So potential is there. So we want to find out the capacitance. So what will be new capacitance? So it's a charge divided by what? New. Obviously here you will write down the new potential and put the formula here and obtain the answer. Clear, guys? So you may see here the expression for that is before you that. This expression will come here. K plus 3 will come. Clear, guys? So this is the numerical. We'll remember here. So only what the reason is to be changed here. This reason is to be changed here. So this trick you will use for all types of numerical. Clear right now? Well understood you. So now combinations of capacitor. So combinations of capacitor is also an important topic. Okay. Suppose we have made a capacitor. We have made a capacitor, and the capacitance of the capacitor is of some order, like that it is of 2 microfarad. A capacitor of 2 microfarad we made here, capacitance. Clear? Somewhere else in electric circuit, and what is the working of capacitor? You just know here. It is actually to use the you just have to understand potential between the two plate here and here. The fixed potential is to be established here. Means at the two, there are the two regions where the potential difference is fixed. Means at this potential it will allow the flow of charges. So tell me please, capacitor is to be connected across any appliances, means with respect to any appliances. In what manner it will be connected? Series and in parallel. Here according to the application what we have studied, is parallel is connected here, because you just want to switch on your bulb. This is that here, the bulb is to be switched on. Okay. So how will you connect? This is one terminal to terminal. So it's to be connected at this and this. So what type of connection is there? This is the parallel connections. Means this bulb will be at the will light on at the potential provided by this capacitor. This also can be connected in series. It have their own importance in the series manner and the parallel manner. Clear? So I'm just saying here the capacitance employed to this device is 2 microfarad, but sometime we require the capacitance 4 microfarad, 6 microfarad, and more magnitudinal capacitance I need here. Then what I will do here? So a company cannot manufacture the capacitance of each capacitor. So we need to combine them. So the first here, that why do we need to combine this? Because the capacitors means the capacitor of the different capacitance cannot be manufactured at the same time. So combinations is required here. To what is the need of combination? To obtain the large number, means big value capacitance. Is that clear? So combination of capacitor. What do you understand by combination of capacitor? 2 or more capacitors. Just me write here. 2 or more capacitor. Okay, to obtain the capacitance of what? Capacitance large value or on a desired value. Large cannot be spoken here. Desired value. Desired value is the right word for that. Okay, not the large value. Okay. So, what is that here? It's the classifications, combinations of the capacitor can be done in two ways. One is series connection, and the second is parallel. So, series is what? One capacitor is this, another capacitor is this, another capacitor is this, and so on. It's a C1, it's a C2, it's a C3. And parallel is what? One capacitor and second capacitor, third capacitor, and so on. It's the C1, it's a C2, it's a C3. Actually, we can speak here, suppose this is the one terminal it is, okay. So, it's a positive potential is maintained here, it's connected with this, clear, and this is another terminal here, it is connected with this, means there is source, it is we can speak here. So, source will pass the current through this, okay, here will. So, it is a potential V plus and here V minus, clear. So, this will be at positive potential, clear, this will be at negative, further it will be at positive, it is negative, and it is positive, it is negative, clear not guys. So, this type situation will develop here, is more capacitors in there here. Similarly, they all are at positive potential, they are at positive potential, they are at negative potential, clear not. So, it is what here, sigma positive, clear. So, they all at the same potential connected with this. It is a terminal A or this is the terminal B, is the terminal B, is that clear? So, what we can speak here? So, here so capacitance of this capacitor will be what here? So, so what will speak here? This is that, this is that. So, capacitance, net capacitance is to be found out here obviously. So, it shall be formula of what here? Q upon V. So, V, what will be the resultant V? V will be different here, and here also same C dash. So, it is representing as V C, capacitance in series and capacitance in parallel, clear. So, charge, what the charge is given to, I am telling this. Suppose one charge goes to the plate left, suppose Q charge is going here, plus Q charge. So, Q charge goes here to the plate left side of the first capacitor, clear. Equal and opposite charge induced on the opposite plate here, is that clear? Because charge can never be created nor be destroyed, charge will never go in waste, okay. So, equal amount of charge is to be here, the same charge is to be induced in the next plate, okay, and the similarly the same charge will induce on the opposite and so on. So, how much charge is entering to the point A, we can say, or the first capacitor, the same amount of charge is coming out of this assembly, right. So, charge is same here for all that, but the potential will be a different, means it will allow the passage of the charge will, it will allow the flow of charge at different V1 potential, it will allow with V2 potential, it will allow V3 potential at different potential. Why? Because the potential difference between the plates is actually E into D, right now. Means it depends on their distance between the plate, it depends on the electric field, and what the electric field? Sigma upon epsilon naught. So, what the material we have filled inside that. So, it will predict the all things, clear, but we will not discuss now it is, okay. So, Q V1, so net potential is V. So, potential is in series potential, in series the potential difference V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So, further we will hear what V1, what is V1? So, you can find out that what, so they have their own capacitance. So, the same charge, I am telling this. So, you will write down here, let C1, C2 and C3 are the capacitance of the what? Capacitor, okay, capacitor. Then potential V1 will here Q charge by what? C1, and V2 here what? Q charge by C2, and V3 here what? Q charge by what here, C3. Is that clear? So, different potential V is equal to what will it is, V1 V2, V1 is what, Q1 C1, Q1 not Q only, and it's a C2, and it's a Q and C3. This is the total potential. So, the total potential is to be put here in this, clear. Therefore, what? So, capacitance Cs is equal to Q charge divided by Q by C1, Q by C2 and Q by C3, and further what, 1 divided by what will happen, 1 by C1, 1 by C2, 1 by C3, and here Q can be cancelled. This expression can be written C as it is. So, it is 1 by something is there. So, in that plate we can replace, we can write 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. So, what will be the total capacitance in the series manner? So, the reciprocal of total equals to the sum of reciprocal of all capacitance. It's further for the two capacitors, for the two capacitors, it can be written as 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C1 plus C2, and in the 10th class you study here 1 by Cs product C2 plus C1 divided by C1 C2, also can be written as Cs is equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2, means product upon sum, clear. Product upon sum means for this also in 10th class you study resistance in parallel R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2, okay, whatever is this. This is in series, this is in parallel, but this is happening in series. So, what is the resistance total in series, the manner the same here in case of parallel, and what is in parallel the resistance the same is in, clear. So, this is the expression for, so the capacitance can be obtained here. An example, suppose that I am giving an example, have a look please. Suppose it is a 2 capacitor, one capacitor is of 3 microfarad, okay, and another is of 2 microfarad, okay, or 6 microfarad we can say, are connected in series. So, what will be the capacitance of this assembly? This will behave as a single capacitor, and single capacitor of what? So, we will write here 3 product upon sum, 3 plus 6 is equal to what? So, it is 18 by 9, it will be here 2 microfarad. This assembly will work as a 2 microfarad, right. Is that here guys? Well understood you. So, what is the formula for the capacitance in series? Product upon sum. Similarly, for 3 can also be given. So, also the expression will be for n capacitors, for n identical capacitor, n identical capacitor in the sense 1 by Cs. So, 1 by C plus 1 by C plus 1 by C plus dot dot, how many times? It shall be written here n times. So, if I will add them 2 times, so 2 times 1 by C will write it, it will be 3 times, so 3 times 1 by C will write it, n times, so we will write down here n times 1 by C. So, it can be written as n times 1 by C or 1 by Cs. So, Cs is equal to C by n, clear. Similarly, we need to do here the parallel capacitance. What will be the parallel capacitance? Obviously, the charge is going at here, it is in A. So, the charge is distributed at the junction A. Why? Because the capacitor, it has the potential, they are operating at the same potential right now. So, at the same potential, so potential is equal to electric field into D. So, at the potential, and it is directly proportional to charge also. So, we can listen here guys what I am saying to, potential is here this D. So, potential is produced by electric field strength between them and the distance between them. Since the distance is what we can say, the assembly here between the plate here. So, different capacitors we have taken here. So, they will take the different, because different conductor, different material have their own different capacity. So, capacitor of different capacity, this same line you will repeat here, let the capacitor of capacitance, this line you will repeat, okay. Capacitor of capacitance C1, C2, C3 are okay, connected in parallel as shown in the figure. So, therefore, net capacitance this complete assembly will behave as a single capacitor. Single capacitor in the sense, in this is that here I am telling, this is single capacitor, and this single capacitor is actually Cp, clear. So, what Q charge is just going here. So, here at junction Q1 it is a Q2 or it is a Q3, means they will demand different, but here again it is, well, Q1 it is Q2 or it is a Q3. So, means the Q1 charge is passing through this line obviously. So, it will receive Q1 charge, it will receive Q2 charge, again Q charge can never be created nor be destroyed. So, charge will get some at the point B here and will deliver to that. Okay. So, we can speak here Cp. So, Cp is what here again Q divided by V. So, they all are operating at the same potential, the potential difference between all the plates is here same. So, it shall be V here, but charge will be, the charge can be written as how the charge is to be made. So, I am telling this capacitor, what is the charge? So, the total, this is the net charge there. Okay. So, here will be Q charge, total charge, not the net word is not to be used here, total charge, total, here V total is same what we employ here, clear. So, further I am telling Cp is equal to V total means what, Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3, but its V total is V apply, right. So, Q1 is equal to what, it is operating at same potential. So, Q is equal to C1 and V, and Q2 is equal to what here, C2 into V, and Q3 is equal to what here, C3 into V. So, capacitance of parallel can be written as C1 V and C2 V and C3 V divided by what, V. So, what is common then, V common here, C1 plus C2 plus C3 divided by V, V cancels, it is a C1 plus C2 plus C3 Cb. So, what we can speak here, the capacitance of capacitor gets sum up. For 2, simply we will write here, for 2 capacitors, Cp is equal to C1 plus C2, and for n identical capacitor, it will be Cp is equal to C, how many times, n times C this is, okay. You will understand this. We also have derived this here, for that you may see this is, okay. So, in numerical both the expression will imply at the same time. So, guys, we have studied the combination of capacitor in series. What is that here? The total reciprocal of the total capacitance in series equals to the sum of reciprocal of all capacitors, okay, capacitance. And second, n times this, you may see the algebraic sum of all capacitance is equal to. So, when we want to integrate, when we want to make the strengthful capacitance, then capacitor is to be added. I am telling this, suppose that one capacitance is what here, 3 microfarad, and the other capacitance is 6 microfarad, as we have connected in the series. So, we will connect them in parallel, one capacitor and the another, both we have connected in parallel, this is parallel. So, what will be the capacitance of this? Simply it is a 9 microfarad, it will be, clear. So, in parallel it will give the algebraic sum, okay, well understood you. So, the next time we will discuss about the concept, some numerical questions we will discuss here, okay. I hope you will solve this question. See on your study material, textbook NCERT example 2.9, you will just have to solve, and only one question is there. We have a lot of questions in the text, in the study material. You may see the combination of capacitors are there, okay. This is the combination of capacitors, where is that? So, we will open this class assignment 6, question number 1 to 5, you will solve this. A lot of questions are there, is that 1 to 5 will solve. Tomorrow we will discuss here the numerical questions on this. Thank you very much, have a nice day.